Today we are practicing brush knee and push. Let us begin with opening the door, shifting the weight to the right. Step out with the left. (50-50), bottom heavy, top light. Lifting water. Let the arms float up. Hold a ball in front like you're hugging a tree. Rotate the ball, left hand on top, lower, turn to the right, turn to the front, turn to the left. So when holding the ball, we're going to hold it on the right hand side, left hand on top, so that the top hand can drop down as we turn to the front. It circles back to the top part of the ball. Turning, completing it, circle back to the top of the ball. Top goes down. Bottom rolls back, just like in roll back arm, and pushes to the front. And then continues its circle back to the bottom of the ball. Putting them together, we have, as we turn the body, it turns the hands, we rotate the ball, one hand up, one hand down, brush knee, and push. Then they circle back to the top part of the ball, hold the ball on the side. Inhale, brush knee and push. Breathing in, hold the ball. Breathing out, brush knee and push. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Hold the ball. Brush knee and push. One hand going down, one hand going up, turning to the front, turns the body, delivers the hand. Relax. Flow. The mood is more important than the move. Leave the right hand out there. It becomes the top part of the ball. And we're going to turn to the left. One hand goes down, circles back to the top of the ball. Right hand is on the top of the ball. It has to go down. It just falls down. The path takes it past, brushing past the knee. And then we turn back to the side. It comes back to the top of the ball. The hand at the bottom of the ball rolls back, up by the ear, we turn forward and it pushes out and then continues its circle back to the bottom of the ball. Inhale, turn, brush knee, and push. Circle, circle, hold the ball. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, holding the ball. One goes down, one comes up. Circling, brushing past the knee and pushing. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now holding the ball is a transition as we go side to side. Leave the pushing hand out there. Let it become the top of the ball. Turn to the other side. Top hand goes down, bottom hand goes up. Turn to the front. Push. Hold the ball. Turn to the side. Brush knee and push. Continue on. Inhale. Brush knee and push. Hold the ball. Turn to the side. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Holding the ball. Turning to the side. Turning to the front. Taking it to the other side. Flow. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Relax more. Flow more. Breathe. Now slow down. Turn the palm towards your face. Cross. Separate the hands, shoulder level, and down. Cool down. Gather chi from heaven. Relax from head to toe. Gathering a precious resource, moving it through our body. Breathing in, releasing all tension. Breathing out. The hands float down. Sink the weight to the right. Pull in the left and tap. Place the heel down. Straighten. Thank you for joining me.